channel, I have already explained the algorithm of infix to postfix expression. If you have not seen the video, then check out the description. Link in the description. Now we'll solve one problem of infix to postfix expression using stack. Okay. So first, adding the closing parenthesis to the end of an infix expression. Adding the closing to the end of an infix expression. Okay. First, we adding the closing parenthesis to the end of an infix expression. So we add the closing parenthesis to the end of an infix expression. Now we create three columns. First, stack contains a symbol scan. Second is stack contains third one is postfix notation or expression. So we create three columns. First, symbol scan, stack contents, and postfix notation. Okay. So now also push and opening parenthesis into the stack. Also push and opening parenthesis into the stack. So we'll push opening parenthesis into the stack. Okay. Now we scan the expression one by one, the symbol one by one, and check. So first symbol is A. A is operand. In algorithm, so if the symbol is an operand, then directly push it to the postfix notation. Okay. So directly add to the postfix notation. Okay. Next symbol is multiply. So if the symbol is an operator, check the precedence of the stop operator from the stack with the scan operator, but there is no operator present, so we directly add to here stack. Okay. And postfix will be the same. Now next is braces. First braces. So if the symbol is in left parenthesis, then push it to the array stack. Okay, then directly add it to the array stack. Next symbol is B. B is an operand. If the symbol is an operand, then directly add it to the postfix expression. Previous is A, then B come. Okay, AB. Next is minus. Minus is an or next is minus. Okay, minus is an operator. So check there is any operator present? No. So we directly add to the stack, and this will same. Next is C. C is an operand. So directly add to the postfix expression. Okay, and this will same A, B, C. check the previous video of algorithm. I will discuss the algorithm. If you have not seen the video, then check out this. Otherwise, you will not able to do it. Okay. Next is right parenthesis. Right parenthesis. If the symbol is a right parenthesis, then repeatedly pop all the operator from the stack and add them to the array postfix. Okay. So there is a right parenthesis. So repeatedly pop all the operator from the stack until the left parenthesis is encountered. So there is first top is minus. So it will add to the array postfix A, B, C, minus. So minus is out. Okay. Then left parenthesis. So left parenthesis is encountered. So it will stop. Okay. And lastly, remove the left or opening parenthesis. Okay. So it will come here only first parenthesis and multiply. This will remove. Okay. Next is plus. Plus is an operator. Okay, now check if the symbol is an operator, then check the precedence of the top operator from the stack with the scan operator. Check the precedence of the top operator from the stack means multiply with the scan operator plus. Okay, so and if the precedence of the top operator is greater than or equal to the precedence of the scan operator, then pop the top operator from the stack and add to the array postfix. So whose precedence is high? Multiply or plus? Multiply precedence is highest. So it will pop from the stack and add it to the array postfix. Okay. Add to the array postfix and this symbol is scan operator add to the array stack. Multiply will remove pop to this postfix and this will come to here. This will come here. Okay. Now symbol is D. D is an operator. So directly add to the postfix expression. Okay. D. Now symbol is a divide. So this is an operator. So condition is if the symbol is an operator, then check the precedence of the top operator from the stack. Top operator is plus and scan symbol scan operator is divide. So check the precedence of the top operator from the stack. So if the precedence of the top operator is greater than or equal to the precedence of the scan operator, then add it to the array. Then repeatedly pop the top operator from the stack. But there is whose precedence is high, plus or divide. Divide the precedence is high, so it will not be popped. Okay, so it will directly add to the array stack. Because software always on the top is the highest precedence will point to the top operator, then next lowest. Okay, so divide will add to the array stack. And this will say always highest precedence point to the top, then lowest precedence. Okay, so here highest precedence is divide, so it will in the top is divide is pointing top. Okay, so this will now the E is an operand, so it will directly add to the array postfix. Okay, I write down here A, B, C minus D, and next is E directly add to the here. Okay, now right parenthesis. So right parenthesis. So if the right parenthesis is present, then repeatedly pop all the operator from the stack and added them to the array postfix. So until the left parenthesis is encountered. So here first top operator with divide. So divide will come to here. Next is plus. So plus will come here. and let parenthesis encounter, so it will stop here. And lastly, let parenthesis remove the left dot opening parenthesis. Okay, so this is the result. So this is the post expression of this into expression using stack.
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए.
So now check another problem and let's solve this problem. Okay. Infix to postfix conversion. First, adding the closing parenthesis to the end of an infix expression. So add the closing parenthesis to the end of an infix expression. Okay. Now also push an opening parenthesis into the stack. So first push an opening parenthesis into the stack. Okay. Then check the symbols one by one from left to right until the right parenthesis encountered. So check the symbols one by one. First symbol is A. So check A. A is an operator or operand? A is an operand. So the condition is if the symbol is an operand, then directly add it to the array postfix. So we directly add to the array postfix A. Next symbol is minus. Minus is an operator or operand. Minus is an operator. So the condition is, what is the condition? If the symbol is an operator, then check the precedence of the top order on the stack with the scan operator. But there is no operator present, so we directly add to the array postfix. Stack, and A will come as it is. Now next is first left parenthesis. So the condition, if the left parenthesis encounter, if the symbol is in left parenthesis, then directly add it to the array stack. Directly add to the array stack. So directly come and A will remain same. Next symbol is B. B is an operator operand. B is an operand. So directly add to the array postfix, and this will as it is. Okay. Now plus. If the symbol is this is an operator, so check the precedence of the top operator, but there is no operator present, so directly add it to the array stack. I think you will understand this is an easiest approach. Then the plus symbol, C symbol. C is an operand, so directly add to the array postfix A, B, C, and this will send. Next symbol is right parenthesis or closing parenthesis. So if the symbol is a right parenthesis, then pop all the operators from the stack and add them to the array postfix until the left parenthesis encounter. So first symbol is plus, so it will remove here and add to the array postfix A, B, C, plus, and next is left parenthesis encounter. So it will stop here. So it will, and last remove the left or opening parenthesis. So it will remove it. So there it will come. Next is multiply. Okay. Multiply. If the symbol is an operator, then check the precedence of the top operator. So precedence of top operator is the top operator from the stack is minus, and their symbol is operator is multiply. So precedence of the top operator is greater than or equal to the precedence of the symbol scan operator? No. This is not a highest precedence. So it will directly add to the array stack. Top is always pointing the highest precedence operator. So this is a highest precedence and this is a so it is correct. But if there is a multiply, if there is minus, so that time multiply will remove from the stack and add to the array postfix, and minus will come here. Okay, but now this is right, correct. Next is D. Okay, D. So D is an operand, so directly add. D. Next is multiply. Multiply is an operand. If the symbol is a scanning symbol, sorry. If the precedence of the top operator is greater than or equal to the precedence of the scan operator, yes, symbol scan equal to there is multiply and there is also multiply. So scan operator is equal to, then directly add to the array post then repeatedly pop the top operator, pop the all the operator from the stack and add it to the array postfix. Okay. So here this will remove from here and it will add it to the array stack. And this will remove. Okay. And add it to the array postfix. This will remove and add it to the array postfix, and this will add to the array stack. This multiply is this multiply come here. Okay, and this multiply come here. Next is E. E is an operand, so directly added to the array postfix. Next symbol is divide. So check the precedence. Whose precedence is high? Multiply and divide. Both precedence is same, equal to. So if they equal to, then pop the top operator from the stack and add it to the array postfix. So here is count. This multiply come here. Okay, and this will come and this scan operator will push it to the stack. So this will come here. Okay. Next symbol is F. F is an operator or operand. So directly add to the array postfix. A B C plus D multiply E. A B C plus D multiply E multiply next F. Okay. Next symbol is right parenthesis. So if the right parenthesis, if the symbol is a right parenthesis, then repeatedly pop all the operators from the stack and add them to the array postfix one by one. So A B C plus D into multiply E multiply A and pop all the operators from the stack top to bottom. Okay. So first remove one by one means first remove divide will come here. Next minus will come here, and the left parenthesis encounter. So it will stop here, and lastly remove the left parenthesis. So the stack is empty. Okay. This is the answer. This is the result of this infinite expression. Okay, thank you. Please, if you have helpful from this video, please do like, subscribe, and share this video.